Namaskaram. Good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Dear students, we are again here for yoga and physical activity session. And in this session today we will do some micro yogic practice, some yogic asana and pranayama yogic abhyasa. So let's come. First, keep your back straight, eyes closed. Adopt Namaskara Mudra. Start Gayatri Mantra together. Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yo Naha Prachodayat. Rub your both palms and make a deep and place your both palm on your eyes, your face and slowly close open your eyes, look at your palm present. We will do warm-up yogic practice in sitting position. Place both palms beside your thigh, back straight. Raise the arms from side above the head, palms touching each other and look up with inhale. And exhale, palm down, head down. Inhale up, head up, palms up. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, interlock your fingers, palm turn upward and stretch up. Stretch from your shoulder, stretch from your vertebral columns. Stretch up, fully stretch up. And exhale, bend to left and look up and hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Inhale, come back, slowly come back and exhale, bend to right side and hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. Back and release. Bring your both hands behind your back, interlock your fingers, palm turn outside and exhale, bend forward, touch your forehead on the ground. Inhale, come back and release. Next, arms up in line with the shoulder. Catch your left kneecap with your right hand, your left hand over the head and exhale, bend to right and look up. Inhale, come back. Same with the opposite side. Catch your right leg, kneecap with your left hand and your right hand over the head and exhale, bend to left and look up. Inhale, come back. And next, stretch your both hands in front and clutch your fingers. Clutch with inhale and release with exhale. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Make a fist and go for wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Next, elbow movement. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Place both hands on your shoulder with fingers, elbows together, and go for shoulders. 1, bicep touching to the earth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reverse 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take few normal breaths. Normalize your breathings. And next, extend the legs in front. Fully extend. And both palms beside your thighs, back fully straight. Look at your front. Back fully straight. And next, flex your toes. Exhale, flex your toes. With exhale, back fully straight. And inhale, flex back. Exhale, flex forward. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, and release. And go for ankle movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. And next, bend your right knee and place your right feet closer to your left knee. Both palms under the thigh with interlock. And inhale, lift your right leg up, fully straight and back straight. Look at your front as much as you can lift up. Exhale, release, and again lift up and go for knee movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release your back. Same with opposite leg. Bend your left knee and place both hands under the thigh with interlock your finger. And inhale, lift your leg up. Chest up. Leg fully straight. Exhale, release. And again lift up and go for knee movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, reverse 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release your leg and relax. And place both palms behind your back to half feet away from your back. And inhale, lift up your middle part of the body in line. And your whole body weight on your palms and your feet. And hold it. And exhale, release. touch your forehead the ground. Inhale, come back. Same with opposite side. Inhale, come back and release. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathing. And next, hold your right leg ankle and place your right foot upper part of left thigh. And catch your right kneecap with your right hand and toes with your left hand. And inhale, hug your thigh into the chest with inhale and touch your nose to your knee. And exhale, put it down and look back from left shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And release the left. Same with opposite leg. Hold your left leg ankle and place your left foot on your upper part of right thigh. And catch your left kneecap with your left hand, toes with your right hand. And inhale, hug your thigh into the chest, press into the chest. And exhale, put it down and look back from right. Inhale and exhale. 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 And release. And take few normal breaths. Relax. And toes together, feet together, and go for butterflies. Back fully straight and swing your legs up and down. Release and relax. Place both palms behind your back, interlock your fingers. Inhale and exhale, bend forward, bend forward. Touch your forehead on the ground. Inhale, come back and release the line. Take 2 more breaths. to Vajrasana. Stand on your knees apart, half feet apart, and inhale, raise your left hand above the head, and bring your hand behind your back and catch your left knee with your left hand. At the same time, bring your right hand behind your back and catch your right heel with your right hand and drop your neck back. Within and hold here for 10 to 15 seconds. And exhale, release and relax. Next, inhale, raise the arms up, and exhale, bend forward, drop your both palm on the ground. Come to Sasankasana and extend your upper body to forward and come to laying down position. And next we will do Makrasana. Place both palm closer to your chin, your right palm over to left palm, and rest your chin over the right palm. And look straight. And next, tuck your elbow closer to your chest and rest your chin inside the body. And slightly bring closer to your elbows each other. Next, swing your legs one by one. Makarasana. Take left turn. Come to standing position for standing asana. We will do Utkat Asana and Tat Asana variation. First, spread your legs, 3 to 4 feet gap in between your legs, both feet outside, 90-degree outward, both feet outside, you can see like this. And place both palm on your kneecaps, like the back straight, and bring your pelvis region downward as much as you can and hold. And bring your both palm in front and make a Dhyan Mudra like this. Your right palm over to left palm and both thumbs touching each other like this. And back straight. And inhale, raise the arms from side. With inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and release. And next, place both hands on your waist and turn your right feet 45-degree inward and turn your trunk to left side and bend your front leg and your right knee on the ground and your front leg. Bend your front leg. and place both palm beside your pelvis like this, and extend your front leg, slightly extend like this. And raise your left hand above the head, insert your left hand under your left leg like this, you can see like this, and take support with your right hand closer to your left feet, you can see closer to your front leg, and exhale, bring your nose closer to your feet as much as you can, and release, come back. Same with the opposite side. Your left feet 45 degree inward and your right feet 90 degree out, and your left knee on the ground and your both palm beside your feet, and raise your right hand above the head and insert your right hand inside your right leg, you can see like this, and exhale, bring your nose closer to your feet as much as you can, and hold. Inhale, come back and release. And next, your left knee on the ground and your front leg extend forward, more extend, and here go for Ardha Hanumana Asana. Raise the arms from side above the head, palms touching each other, and adopt Namaskara Mudra over the head. And go. And release. Same with opposite side. Go for Ardha Hanumana Asana. Your front leg fully straight and release. Relax. Take few normal breaths, normalize your breathing. Sit on the mat. Sit on any meditative posture. Next, we will do Pranayama Yogic Abhyas. प्राणायामों का अभ्यास किसी भी ध्यानात्मक आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, सरल आसन की स्थिति में बैठे, दोनों हाथों की ज्ञान मुद्रा, कंधे, कमर व सीधी. नॉर्मलाइज योर ब्रीथिंग्स, श्वासों का प्रवाह समान. फर्स्ट प्राणायाम का अभ्यास, भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम. हम इस अभ्यास को 3 गतियों से करेंगे. प्रथम सरल गति से, द्वितीय में मध्यम गति से, तृतीय में तीव्र गति का अभ्यास. कमर गर्दन सीधी. फर्स्ट सरल गति से. Inhale and exhale. यहीं से मध्यम गति का अभ्यास. रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास। यहीं से तीव्र गति का अभ्यास। दोनों हाथों से घुटनों पर इस प्रकार रखें, दोनों हथेलियों को, और हाथों के सपोर्ट से इस अभ्यास को, तीव्र गति का अभ्यास करेंगे भस्त्रिका का। कुछ विशेष बातों का ध्यान रखें अभ्यास तीव्र गति से करने से पूर्व। हाई ब्लड प्रेशर और ते भी कार्डियक से संबंधित रोगी हैं, वे इस अभ्यास को तीव्र गति से ना करें, वे सरल गति से इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं, वह भी सावधानी। चलिए प्रारंभ करें तीव्र गति का अभ्यास। रिलैक्स, सामान्य श्वास प्रश्वास। कुछ देर मौन रहे, श्वासों का प्रवाह समान। यहीं से अगला अभ्यास कपाल भाती प्राणायाम का होगा। स्टोक के माध्यम से स्टमक को अंदर की ओर धक्का देना है और मेरुदंड के समीप ले जाने का प्रयत्न करना है। पूर्ण अभ्यास आपके रेचक क्रिया और पेट के अंदर धक्का देने के साथ होगी। तो इस बात का विशेष ध्यान रखें कि आपका स्टमक भी अंदर जाएगा, साथ में आपको एक फोर्सफुली एक्सेल भी करना है स्टमक अंदर, और लंग की हेल्प से आपको पूरा धक्का देके श्वास बाहर निकालना। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। फर्स्ट 20 एंड 30 एंड 40 के स्ट्रोक्स। Relax. Normalize your breathing. Next, Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Make Pranav Mudra with your right hand and close your right nostril with your thumb and inhale from left. And exhale to right. Inhale again from right and exhale to left. It's complete one cycle. एक चक्र पूर्ण। इसी प्रकार आपको 5 चक्रों का अभ्यास और। चलिए प्रारंभ करें। रिलैक्स। टेंशन, हाइपरटेंशन, एंजाइटी, अनिद्रा, मानसिक चेतना को बढ़ाने वाला, स्मरण शक्ति को बढ़ाने वाला अभ्यास अनुलोम विलोम, रक्त शुद्धि के लिए बहुत ही उत्तम अभ्यास ENT केयर का अभ्यास। इसको अपने दैनिक दिनचर्या में सम्मिलित करें। नेक्स्ट, भ्रामरिक उद्गीत का अभ्यास। हाथों की षटमुखनी मुद्रा बनाएं, अंगूठे से कानों के पटलों को बंद करें। पहली उंगली आपके आईब्रो के ऊपर, दूसरी आईबॉल के ऊपर, तीसरी अपर लिप्स के ऊपर और लास्ट और छोटी उंगली आपके लोअर लिप्स के नीचे। श्वास भरें और मुंह का उच्चारण करें। होठों को आपस में मिलाए रखें, दांतों को आपस में ना मिलाएं, जीवा को दांतों से पीछे रखें, दांतों में ना मिलाएं। 3 बार इस अभ्यास को करें और वापस आंख बंद कर ध्यान। कुछ देर मौन ही रहें। यहीं से ओमकार का प्रणोच्चारण होगा। अ ऊम का अकार मकार मकार नाभि और कंठ से प्रारंभ करें, नाभि से और कंठ प्रदेश की ओर ले जाएं। अ ऊम का उच्चारण। ओंकार से उत्पन्न उस दिव्य ऊर्जा को अपने अंतर मन में आत्मसात करें। अनुभव करें कि आपका अंतःकरण शुद्ध हो रहा है और आसपास का वातावरण भी ऊर्जान्वित और शुद्ध हो रहा है। इसी मनोभाव से दोनों हथेलियों को आपस में मिला और तेजी से रखें। हाथों में उत्पन्न उष्मा ऊर्जा को आंखों पर चेहरे और तेज तलाब को आंखों को खोलते हुए मधुर मुस्कान के साथ। नमस्कारम। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।